guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today we have a unboxing from Nike. As you can see, it is a Nike by You, and what we got here is a pair of Dunks. We finally got access to customize some Dunks. I went pretty, easy on it. I just went purple and white with a gum bottom. As you can see, this is Nike by Ryan. I got 11.5. The box is a really cool slide out box. You see, you get this paper here. Really cool paper back. It says Nike by You, and then we got the shoes. So there was a similar Dunk that dropped a while back that was purple and white. I, of course, missed out like I always do on all the Dunk releases. So I want to do something kind of similar to that, plus purple is my favorite color. This one is like a really, really dark purple, but I want to do something a little bit different to make it different from the one that released. So I went ahead and added a gum sole. But when Nike lets you customize these Dunks, they actually use a really, really good leather on these. So as you can see, really, really supple. Looks really good. I'm really happy with these. I think it does look very plain, but that's what I was going for. I wasn't going for anything crazy. I saw a lot of people do like the fragment colorway, bread colorway, all that kind of stuff. I wanted to do just something completely different than that. I know everyone was doing that, so I just wanted to do a purple and white with a gum sole. Overall, I think they came out really, really nice. As you can see, that purple, you get the Nike stitching here in the back. The insoles don't say by You or Nike ID or anything like that. It's just a black insole with the Nike swoosh on it. As you can see, the inside outsole, you got the little stars. Here's the other shoe. I saw a lot of people got theirs like weeks ago. Mine was stuck in customs for a while, but it is what it is. The quality, really, really nice, but the craftsmanship, as you can see, there's some stuff sticking out. There's some glue stains, but I'm not really expecting too much out of these. Hey, but that is gonna be it. Just wanna do a quick unboxing of these Nike by You Dunks. Really, really happy with them. Hopefully I get access again so I can do another colorway or something, but really happy with them. That is going to be it. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Catch you guys next time.